Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to explain about chart in Domo. So let me first show you the data that we have available to feed into Domo chart. So this is the data set I am going to use, store retails. So sample retail data. Okay, so in the sample retail data you can see uh, we have many let me show you the data first, what data we have. Let's go to the data. So this is sample retail data. This data set I am going to use in Domo. So these are the columns we have. Let's see sequence wise. So here I want to create a card or report that will show total order count by item category. This is just example. So while working we can get many different kind of requirements, so based on that we have to create. So I have taken just example or number of order count by item category. So just to item category I have dragged to x-axis and y-axis sum of order quantity, and here I am taking a bar graph. This is horizontal bar graph. So we have a different type of chart like period over period chart, vertical bar, horizontal bar, line, lollipop, area, data science, pie and funnel, map, custom chart, gauze, table and text boxes, and filters. So and these are the popular chart that is default, that Domo is so default. So here we can select. So as of now I have selected the vertical bar. So we have this much option for vertical bar, and which one when we have to use that I have already explained in the previous lecture how to choose appropriate chart type. So for this problem we can go with horizontal bar also, only the layout will be changed, that's it. So other things are same, so anything we can take. Let's go with the vertical bar now. So uh, this is the data. So now it is showing item category, like sum of order quantity for each item category. So let me show you. For high rise, skinny, straight, flare, bootleg and slim, so these are the data for different item category. Now there is a one thing, tooltip. So when I remove, it is not showing. When I click on that, it will show. What is the mean of tooltip? So as of now we are able to see the data that we have dragged in here, like item category and sum of order count. But just assume when we have a requirement to show some other data that is not in the chart, that should not show in the chart, like here we have order sum of order quantity, okay, but we don't have anything for price, but still we want to see the price data. So what the first option is, like we have to drag the price in the we have to drag the price, the measure in the C, in this tab or pan I can say. So without dragging this, we can see using tooltips. So let me, so item price, where is the item price? Item price, sorry, item price, where is that? Yeah, this is the item price. Let me drag into tooltip field. So when I drag, so we can see the total item price for every individual item category. So now the next is like this one is not showing anywhere in the report. Like when I save this and when I will show the data, we will not be able to see this item price in the report, but this data we can see how. So we have two options. First is hover text setting, second is data label setting. So let me go through the hover text setting. Simply click on hover text and tooltip field. So now when I click here, it will show the sum of item quantity, but when I remove this from here and when I hover, I will be able to see this value. like sum of order quantity. But when I take this tooltip field in hover text setting, and when I see, I will be able to see that value. Yeah, but we don't have anything, any chart related to item price, but we are able to see the value of item price. Let me remove this. Another option is data label setting. So here also we can add tooltip field. So when I add this, we are able to see position, inside, outside, inside, top, rotate, yes. Let's see, this is the item price. So we have the option like that. So without adding the sum of the dimension or measure in the chart, like without showing the chart, we can show their value. So in the next lecture I will take some another example of card. Thank you.